If you are thinking about getting into YouTube Shorts but can't find a winning niche, I have a golden ticket for you. There's one niche that will be really popular in the next month, and if you are watching in the middle of May or the beginning of June 2026, you caught it just in time. In today's video, I will walk you through the whole process and show you how you can make your first video on that channel. Anyway, let's get into it. First thing, we need to go into YouTube and search for football. And you are asking like, why football? Football is already like really trending now and a lot of people are making football videos. Well, there's one thing coming in the middle of June and it's the World Cup. And the easiest thing for you is just to use it too. And right now we have two ways to do it. I will show you the better one that I think might do a bit better and will be really easy for you to succeed in, but there's also other way how you can do it. You can just use popular football clips, and this can feature any player, any team, any nationality. Basically, it just needs to be about football, but we will make it one step better. And for this we need ChatGPT. And right now I will use ChatGPT to find out which countries actually made it to the World Cup. Okay, basically it's 48 teams, and it's really funny. You don't even have to understand football to make videos like this. I never watched a football game, and I still could make crazy money making these videos. Anyway, these are all the countries that made it to the World Cup. Anyway, for the beginning, let's start with some bigger country. We can choose any country we want, but for example, we can go with Brazil. We'll search for this guy. I won't even try to pronounce his name, but we'll search for it on YouTube or on TikTok or on Instagram. But overall, I still prefer YouTube. There are a lot of great videos. And I mean, all of these videos that are long form can be cut into great short form videos. So it doesn't matter which one we choose. This one actually looks pretty decent, top 10 goals of his, so we can go with this one. Okay, now we have the video ready in our CapCut. I will definitely transform it so it's vertical because now it's just a long form video, but I can make literally anything with this video. Like these are only clips of his goals, so I can make any edits, I can use any editing style. This is just up to you, but for example, I will show you how you can edit this video. So I changed the ratio to be 16:9, and before I actually scale it, I pick the best goal that I will edit for this video. Okay, so for my video, I decided to use some AI commentary just to make it completely safe for monetization. And all I do is I use 11 Labs. I usually try to make my own voices. You can make it really easily. Just click on voices and voice design. This way you can make your custom voices that fit your videos. I made this one, which is like some sports commentator, really engaging one. So this one will definitely work. And I just generate sentence after sentence. This way I get easy commentary over my whole video and it feels pretty natural. But to make it blend completely into the video, I also picked a really popular song from the World Cup. And I also began adding some sound effects because sound effects can really fill out the whole video. You don't have to have commentary over your whole video. You can basically fill it with sound effects. And I will play you a short part right now.
Vinicius Jr. Nothing can stop him. Look at him.
And if you are just starting in shorts or if you made only a couple videos, the really important thing is to have a great hook. And how you do it is up to you, but what I try to do always is to have one really distinct sound in the first 2 seconds and also some visual effect. But before we do it, I also want to delete these black bars on top and the bottom of the video, and I will do it really easily. I will just scale this video up. I will put a copy of it just behind the first version. In effects, I will choose blur and put it over the second video that's behind, and this way we'll just achieve this beautiful blur. Anyway, for our visual effect for this video, I will do this highlight circle, and you can do it pretty simply just by going into adjustments over the whole video and selecting exposure, dragging it all the way down to -50. Then we can also do like higher contrast, lower highlights, lower shadows. Then under adjustments we hit also mask, and we mask out a certain area. We do circle because circle is the best shape, and because we want to make the highlight bright and outside darker, we hit this small button. This will reverse the whole effect. And our next step is just to follow this player. So we need to make keyframes to follow this guy the whole time. I think it will be pretty easy because he's running and the camera is following him real well. But let's make it all the way till the end. Yeah, he's moving a bit, so we will make it like this. That looks pretty decent. And in the beginning, we also want it to be all the way out, so we scale it like this. So the whole screen is bright and then it zooms nicely onto him. The whole effect now looks something like this.
To see this absolute masterclass from Vinicius Jr.
Yeah, and as you can see, it's pretty easy to follow. Now the engagement in the beginning will be really high. And one last thing we can also add are some transitions, some pull in, pull out. That's usually the best because it's really easy to follow. Don't do anything complicated, no like pushing stuff on the sides or any other crazy stuff, because you still want a viewer to be focused on one single spot in the whole video. And for this one, it's basically this guy running, and then we have him running on the field, so he should be almost at the same in the same position. For this video, it's not exactly like that, but it's just example video. If I was doing like proper video for any of my channels, I would try to sync it so he's in the middle, exactly where he is in this shot. Okay, I just finished the whole video. I just added some final captions, more sound effects, cleared out some of these clips so it fits better the audio. But this is really simple short. It's an example how you can do it. You don't have to do it exactly like me, but the main point is just do some football shorts. It will be big in the next month and you can easily monetize your channel and start earning just by making these simple football clips. Anyway, I will play now the final video and let me know in the comments what do you think about it.
You need to see this absolute masterclass from Vinicius Jr. Nothing can stop him. Look at him go. Will Vinny Jr. lead Brazil to glory in 2026?
Well, as I said, there are definitely things that I could have done better. I just spent only 15 minutes on this video, and I would suggest you to do the same, because if you spend only a few minutes on every single video, then you can make so many videos and start posting really consistently multiple times per day. But that's for another video. Thanks for watching, and YouTube thinks you might be interested in this video, so if you haven't seen it, check it out.